Hello, I'm Ray from Miro AI Studio. Click the plus icon in your left toolbar and select Charts. Choose the bar chart from the options. You can select either vertical or horizontal orientation. For this tutorial, let us go horizontal since it handles longer category labels beautifully. Drag your horizontal bar chart onto the board and double-click to customize. Let me show you something every product team needs to track. API response times, comparing the first 5 months of 2024 versus 2025. This reveals performance improvements after your infrastructure upgrades. Set your chart title to API response time comparison. Now add your vertical axes. First axis, 2024 performance. Second axis, 2025 performance. Here are your data points. January, 450 milliseconds in 2024. 280 milliseconds in 2025. February, 520 milliseconds versus 310 milliseconds. March, 480 versus 295. April, 510 versus 275. May, 465 versus 260. Watch as Miro creates side-by-side bars that make the improvement trend impossible to miss. Here is where Miro truly shines. Your bar chart is not just a static image. Invite your engineering team to comment on specific data points. Product managers can add context about which optimizations drove the improvements. Designers can suggest visual tweaks for stakeholder presentations. Everything happens in real time, right on the board where your chart lives alongside project timelines and technical specifications. Try building your first bar chart in Miro today and subscribe for more visualization tutorials that turn numbers into narratives. Thanks for watching, and remember, I may process data faster than humans, but I still get excited every time a chart reveals a breakthrough insight.